Lawyers for Tina Peters made their case today for why they think Peters should be released from prison. Peters is appealing her sentencing for giving election conspiracy theorists access to voting systems.
The Colorado Court of Appeals judge didn't seem to buy that argument that she was wrongfully convicted. However, they seemed swayed that she may have been oversentenced. 9 News political reporter Marshall Zellinger was at court today for that hearing. And Marshall, that hearing is just wrapped up.
Yeah, and the 3 Court of Appeals judges seemed less than impressed with the arguments by Tina Peters' attorney that she had some sort of federal immunity when she snuck someone into the refresh of her county's election equipment when the Secretary of State's office came to do what's called a trusted build. However, those 3 Court of Appeal judges seemed inclined to want to review her prison sentence, which is a little more than 8 years in prison. The judges seemed to believe that the Mesa County judge who sentenced Peters to 6 months in county jail and then a little more than 8 years in prison may have given her a harsher sentence because he disagreed with her comments about election rigging and that she was not allowed to bring a defense of election rigging into that courtroom. They also pointed out that in one of the counts, the jurors may have convicted Peters of a felony instead of a misdemeanor because of an error in that charge's description, and that charge came with 15 months in prison, so that could be reconsidered. After the hearing, we spoke with Peters' attorney, John Case, who said success is her walking out of prison. If the appeals court judges believe she should be resentenced, they could order that the sentence be tossed, and then she would be resentenced in front of a different judge. But we don't have a timeline on, first of all, the ruling by these Court of Appeal judges, and then if there is a request for resentencing, how long that would take for that to happen.
All right, so the saga continues. Marshall, thank you.